Check him out cruising. There we go. Come on, get up there so I can get you in the video too. Hey, buddy. How you doing? And there's Terry. Wait for the manatee. We found one.
Hey, Dad.
Hi, everybody. Look, Leslie. Isn't it beautiful? Look at how sweet. Oh, it's a baby. It's not a real big one. Oh, he's so sweet.
Walking his way here.
Get your lettuce. Okay, he's running me this way now. There he is. Wait. I gotta get out of here. I'll backpedal. Alright, here comes one. It's right there. Heading your way. Yeah. It's right here. See where the tip of my paddle is? It's in front of it, about 6 feet or so. Okay, you see it? Okay. It's okay. Just come at me. I'll push you away. Okay. There we go. No worries. Try and backpedal. You see it? Watch it, Terry. Remember, you got that rudder. You can either... Okay, here we go again. Oh, he's right under you.
I know.
He's shadowing you under there. Okay, your rudder. Stop. Backpedal. Backpedal. There you go. Backpedal. You're cool. Stop there. Okay, I have to backpedal. Oh, here it comes this way. Here it comes. Ooh, sweetie. You'll come up for me again? Come around the other side. Come around the other side. There he is. Oh, hello. Hi, sweetie. I'm so glad you stopped to say hello to us today. Look at him go. It's like a big torpedo. Whoosh. Okay, I gotta... push me. Give me your paddle. Hold tight. Down goes the camera.